Rube Goldberg machine. And I'm Laurel Britton.
And I'm Tala Bouchamp.
So now we're going to show you how it works.
You roll a tennis ball down this ramp, it hits a golf ball, goes through the tunnel, hits a racquetball that hits dominoes, hitting an A&M washer, which hits the golf ball. It rolls down the ramp, hits dominoes, and then hits a cup full of dominoes on a suspension cord.
And that pulls out a popsicle stick, which releases the racquetball, which hits the books, and then it hits the reset button on the power outlet, which turns the fan on, which blows the ping pong ball down the ramp, hits the dominoes and the wooden blocks. The wooden blocks hit the seesaw, which throws the tennis ball down to the ground, which releases the popsicle stick underneath the car, and the car has a needle on the hood of it, and the needle hits the balloon and pops the balloon.
Go.